It's officially spring, which means it's time for some of our tips and tricks on spring cleaning. Oftentimes, some of the best cleaning solutions are going to be from things you already have in the house. Things like lemon, baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, those are going to be your essentials. And for those harder to clean surfaces, this might be the time of year to bring out your bulkier cleaning appliances, things like your steam cleaners, your carpet cleaners, and this will really get you the best clean for this time of year. We recommend starting with dust. If you tackle that first, at the end of it, you're not getting dust onto already cleaned surfaces. And that might include things like electronics, like your TV, things on your shelf, like books or decor, and even air vents. Now that you've dusted, this might be the time to tackle your large surface areas in the house. And this will be things like walls, windows, baseboards, door frames, things that don't get touched throughout the year. And then this might be the time to use your carpet cleaner for carpets and rugs, and even upholstery like your couches. On top of your routine cleaning in the bathroom, this might be the time to replace your linens. This might include your towels and your washcloths, or it could even mean your shower curtains, your shower liners, or even your bath mats. And though we live in Florida, we still have jackets and sweaters, so this might be the best time of year to tuck them away. Everybody has those spring allergies, so it's time to disinfect all of those high-touch areas, and that will be any countertops, faucet and toilet handles, doorknobs, and light switches. Your home is probably already smelling clean, but we love to finish with an added touch. Light a candle, drop some essential oils in a diffuser, or simmer some of your favorite aromas in a pot over the stove. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.